How to transfer Google Play balance to another Gmail account. For that, you need the help of customer service of the Google. To do so, first of all, open your Chrome and make sure that you have logged into your account and hit on the profile icon which is on the top right corner and go through your profile name. Now, scroll down to the last and select manage your Google account, and at the last you will see help option. Simply tap on it. Now from here you can describe your issue and hit on done. Once you do that, Google team will help you out to solve your issue. There are also other option to do is post a question. You can send your issue as a question and Google team will help you out to solve it. So in this way you can transfer Google Play balance to another Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.